As we are moving toward the end of the month, we begin to see some new price movements in the markets, and which is serving as some indication to whatever price, uh, to kind of changes in the way price is delivering these days. And previously, we talked about this whole range coming down, and the way we have a mitigation of this level. If we check daily, you can see that we highlighted this level to be a shift. We see this level as a me, major shift in the markets. That's major MSS market structure shifts, and we have the break of this low, which happens to be the trend change in the markets. And we run into this level. And mind you, I talked about this buying from this level last week, Monday. And for us buying from this level, we talked about some kind of reaction that we might be expecting from this level moving forward. And at the same time, I later took out this level. Why? Because we've gotten a shift and we break below this low, which is endangering this particular level here, which is an indication that money has been transferred from this level to here and from here to this level. And seeing that in the market, we are trying to reduce our losses. And at the same time, we cannot just be exposing, since we are trading on higher time frame, I'm committing a lot of money on the line. So I have to just take it out. And concluding with the fact that, okay, if peradventure we are going to react from this level going forward, then I know another entry will be generated for me from this level. So that one gives me, what is it called? Some kind of courage to take out the level. And at the same time, committing the same amount to this same level here. And mind you, taking and trading from this level, we pick this whole range as well. From this range to this low range happens to serve as our mitigation block. And we have a proper retest of that level, and price continue to form downward into the level that we aim to buy from. Now, if you remember, we kept this order for so long. If you've been following me from the past. So now we have this level, then having a reaction from this level coming down again, we can see the kind of reactions we are getting again, and we've created a very nice and swing low from this level. Then it is an indication that, okay, buyers might be winning from this level. So we might be having a very nice reaction. And if you look closely, the fair value gap that we have here is kind of giving a very nice reaction from that level into the highs. And so price is using it. And if we check on lower time frame, which is 4 hour, we can see clearly that a proper reversal something has taken place. So you can see the liquidity below this low was being taken, which happens to be the total soup. And we are anticipating the break of structure from this level. But mind you, since we've gotten a shift in the market, we have this minor shift. Then from there, we see a break of structure from this level here. And that happens to be, so structure break from that level moving forward. And if we are to look closely on daily, since we have a validation on 4 hour, then on daily we can see that, okay, we are still anticipating the closure of this candle, and we still have 12 hours to go from that level. But on 4 hour, we have a very clear something from that level to this particular level here, and which can be serving as our order block in place. And having this kind of reaction from this level, that makes me automatically take out this particular level, because whatever happens from this leg here, we can see a very nice reaction. We just have to take out our sell in the market, because obviously the buyers are not willing to allow price to just go through them just like that. So we have this level, and we are reacting from that something. And if we look on 4 hour, we can see that it's aligned perfectly with this particular something. So if we can just do it, that will be from within this mitigation block that will be expecting price to react from. Okay, so having that level in place, that alone is an indication. And mind you, we've gotten a proper mitigation of the level moving forward, and my sir has been taken out of the something. So, and the same rules that apply to this level, that if venture we're going to have any reaction from this level moving forward, that we're going to have something like this, then automatically we know and believe that the same thing is going to happen from within this level too. So if at all, if our sale is going to take place and continue, then we will know that okay, what is it called in the market? We're going to have the same reaction from this level that we'll be able to capitalize on too. So taking out this level just to reduce our risk in the market. So that would be our something, at least for now. Let me attend to my. So if we're going to continue from there, that would means we have our long, be taking our long from this level here to this particular something. That will be 420 in the market. And from there, we'll be expecting 126 pips as per our 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So we've already tapped the something. Market has given us a proper mitigation, but mind you, on 4 hour, I'm still expecting and anticipating that this particular level might still come into play. So I'm having a double entry. Just for your own information, I've taken this trade early before I made this analysis. And at the same time, we have a fair value gap here that might not give us a proper mitigation of this OB on lower time frame. So that being said, this will be our anticipation, at least moving forward. This will be what we'll be expecting and trading with. So until then on lower time frame, I have some analysis in place. And on lower time frame, let's just take this, let's move it aside, at least for now, so that at least we'll be able to see, for us to be able to see something to capitalize on. On 15 minutes, we can see, we can just use AMD here. We have this consolidation, and the low of the consolidation has been taken out. We have total soup from that area, and we are just anticipating a break of this structure. So whatever make this structure to be broken above and closed above, then we'll be expecting a shift in the market. Whatever make us to give us that shift and close, create another break of structure, that would be a double confirmation for us. Then we'll be able to buy from that point. But if we did not have this level being taken out, it has been taken out already. But if we did not have it close above, then create a shift, then the shift might be additional entry for us. So, but if this low is being taken out into this level, we can be anticipating that price coming into this level. But we have a very value gap here, which is a very massive gap on the is a big gap, as you can see. It's a very big gap, and that's capping. Don't mind that. Let's take it out. That's not the reason why we are here. There is something I look out for on lower time frame of 1 minute. If it is there, it's there. So that one is rule based, and we cannot be doing analysis on that. I mean not to show that. So we have this gap here, and as you can see, it's a liquidity void. So from there, we can be. So if we have, just like I have shown here, so if we have this level creating a shift for us, then continue with that. So that will be all, at least for now. If we look at weekly, you can see, clearly see as well, we can have price going into there. Thank you very much. Have a lovely and a profitable day.